all this time, song is all this time, beauty and
Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to float a paper like this. This is called sinking mouth. And are you ready? Okay, let's go!
이점벨에 choose the side which you want to be the mouth. I choose dark blue size and float the paper in triangle shape. 이자가비리 float the tip of paper in both sides, come to the middle. Ishakatatu float the both tips of paper up and you will see two triangles and top of both triangles connect together. Ishagane float the upside tip of both triangle down and do this on both sides. Ishakatanu, you will see the base of triangle is on this line and float the paper up according to this line. And do this on both sides. Ishakatantatu, then spread out the paper as in the beginning. Ishakarindui, switch the other side, you will see floating line and float the tip of both sides according to the line. Ishaka Munani, float it like this according to the folding line and do this on both sides. Agenda, switch to the other side and float like this and then hold them together. Isha Jumi, float is down like this on folding line and do this on both sides. Isha Jumi float the tip up and float it up again. And do this on both sides. again.
Finish! How was it? Did you enjoy? Thank you for your attention, and next time I will teach you another